Okay, today we're going to dissect a crayfish. And when you look at a crayfish, the first thing you want to know is, do you have a male or a female? These structures on the tail are called pleopods. That is the second pleopod of a male. That is the second pleopod of a female. When we dissect the crayfish, we're going to start by removing these walking legs. And I'm going to go down here as deep as I can and just pull it out. These on the ends are gills, and they're sort of in the way at the moment. Pull out all of the walking legs. Then I'm going to look at the mouth parts. The first one we have there, that is called the third maxilliped. Directly under that, there is the second maxilliped. Directly under that, the first maxilliped. Directly under that, the second maxilla. And directly under that, the first maxilla. So those are all the mouth parts. Now we're going to cut the exoskeleton off so we can see many of those parts. And I'm going to cut as close as I can to the eyes up here. And then down the side. Remove that. Part way down the tail, there's some things in there I need to see. This thing was injected with a pink latex so we can see arteries. So that large pink blob there is what's left of the heart. The brown stuff under it is all liver. This large black sac in the head is the cardiac stomach. Now, that's the cardiac stomach. It's empty. If it was full of stuff, it'd be much larger and filled with black stuff. In the head, right there, those two strings are nerves. The point where they come together is the cerebral ganglion. The small pouches here are green glands. If I remove part of the meat from the tail, that pink tube there is the superior abdominal artery. The gray to white tube just under it is the intestine. Look on the bottom down here, the ventral side, and that pink tube is the ventral thoracic artery. Now, I'm having trouble seeing anything right beside it, but if you see a white tube right beside that ventral thoracic artery, that white tube would be the ventral nerve cord. You can stop.